Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today in English lesson we're going to have some grammar 8b in pages 96, 97. The topic is question tags, and before going through the exercises I recommend you to follow me in this video lesson and the explanation of the grammar. So, question tags. What are question tags? Question tags are short questions at the end of the statement or a sentence. We normally use them in oral speech in order to confirm something or to find out if something is true or not. The form of question tags is auxiliary verb or a modal verb of the main sentence plus a subject pronoun. So we use it to find out if something is true or not. When the verb of the sentence is in the present simple, we form the question tag with the auxiliary verb do or does and the subject pronoun. When the verb is in the past simple, we form the question tag with the auxiliary verb did and the subject pronoun. For example, John lives in Rome, doesn't he? So the verb lives is in present simple, while doesn't is in present simple too. In past simple, you played tennis last week, didn't you? So the verb in the main sentence is in past simple, so is the question tag, the auxiliary verb didn't. When the sentence is positive, the question tag is negative. When the sentence is negative, the question tag is positive. For example, your sister loves Italian food, doesn't she? The verb in the main sentence is in positive. The auxiliary verb in the question tag is negative. Some verbs form question tags in a different way. For example, I am. In question tags is aren't I, aren't I? For example, I am the tallest in the class, aren't I? When we have the verb let's, when we want to make suggestions, the question tag for this is shall we? For example, let's watch a film, shall we? When we have used imperative form, we use in question tag will or want. For example, let Mary do it. Will you? Let's say something about the intonation because it differs. When we are sure of the answer and expect agreement, the voice goes down in question tag. For example, they are twins, aren't they? We are sure about it, so the voice goes down. They are twins, aren't they? While in the next sentence, he is 12, isn't he? We aren't sure, so when we aren't sure of the answer and want to check information, the voice goes up in the question tag. Okay, you have some theory in the workbook also, in the grammar section in the workbook. So read the theory there and go on with the exercises in the textbook. In exercise 1, you have to say the examples in your language in Albanian. So, are there similar structure in your language? Answer these questions. In exercise 2, you have to complete the gaps with the question tags in the list. So let's practice the question tags to this exercise. Write the question tags given in the right sentence. Next, you are going to check information. Use the phrases to ask and answer as an example. For example, the phrase rain today, you're going to make questions and answer them. For example, it won't rain today, will it? No, it won't. Eat snails. You don't eat snails, do you? No, I don't. So go on with other phrases to make questions and answers. So that's all for today. Thank you very much and have a nice day.